Hello guys and welcome to another video. This will be a short video. I'm just super excited to have a true gem, a true piece of computing history on my desk here today, and it is the EPSON HX-20, which is considered to be the first laptop computer. I mean, the one you could really have on your lap and work with it, the size of an A4 piece of paper, simple as that. And it was made back in 1980, introduced in the markets in Japan first and then in the United States in 1981. So that was really the first laptop computer, and it's piece of computing history. What can I say? So a few words about it today, and extensively we could have another session. First of all, you can see that it's a miniature of whatever you could find, whatever you could ask for. A screen to work with, a thermal printer on the left side, and an empty space on the right side, which is a modular box that can be removed, and you can place other peripherals like a tape player, cassette player, so you can transfer data. Full stroke 68 keys keyboard. We can also see several function keys available to control the tape or whatever. And the other thing that we need to point out is that what it matters for a really portable computer, especially back then in the 80s, was the ability to have it running for several hours on batteries. And so rechargeable batteries for this model could offer up to 50 hours runtime. That was so impressive back in the 80s, of course. And here on the right side we can see all the controls, inputs and outputs that we need to have: reset button, connection for external cassette player, media that we need to load or save, and of course this is the switch that we can pull out the cartridge, and in the place of the empty cartridge we can place the official tape recorder. We have RS-232 and serial comms here and connectors, and the power input. Now, as the system comes with only 16 kilobytes of RAM, we do expect to find something like an expansion port somewhere around the computer, and there is a trapdoor on the belly, on the bottom side of the computer, but this is not for RAM expansion. It is in order to install an optional ROM or to select a different character set. So there is no reason for the user to mess around with this trapdoor. On the other hand, on the left side we do have the expansion bus that we can have our system expanded from 16 to 32 kilobytes of RAM. Okay, and the next question would be, what is the operating system this system has or runs on? Well, it's proprietary software, and it's the EPSON Basic, along with a monitor program that allows the user to change and alter hardware settings. The Basic itself has extra commands to control the hardware and devices, for example the cassette player, the tape recorder, media save and load functions. And as always, I cannot resist. I'm going to type my silly program, my silly loop, on the computer so we can have some something on the screen after all, and this is my silly program running. So it's a loop with this message. Okay, the screen is crystal clear. You have the contrast control on the right side. You can adjust the brightness, and apparently if you run only basic, yeah, it's true that you can make it for 50 hours on batteries, that is, without the use of the power consuming tape recorder or the printer. So that was impressive. Now we have the dummy cartridge here. One of the plan and one of the goals for the next video will be to replace this dummy cartridge with the official tape recorder and start playing with some software, loading, saving, and whatever. So I have to get my hands on this tape recorder. Until then, I can only say I have to thank you for attending this, for watching, and I'll be catching you soon with another video. Bye for now.